Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 10, that is circle. Now, you know what is the meaning of circle, right? If you form with the help of a rounder and in the notebook, it is a two-dimensional. We cannot touch it, right? We can just see it. It is on a plan. So that is known as a circle. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn part of a circle where it is helped, where and how to apply any formula for the circle in our daily life, why it is important to learn about the circle. And all the details we are going to learn in this chapter. So, we will start with some basic definitions that we have to learn, because the same chapter is there in your 10th standard. So I can say that it will really helpful to you if you learn over here properly. In the 10th standard you can do it by yourself also. So I mean to say is that the most of the theories, 70% of the theories there in 10th standard same, with the examples, definitions, exercises, sums, everything. So, according to the meaning, you have to learn this chapter properly in the 9th standard meaning, because the load will be less in the 10th standard, and it is also from home learning. So, it is essential that you do each and every steps what I am writing on the board in the textbook, and of course you have to complete your homework too. Okay, now I don't want to say anything else. Let us start with the simple definition of circle. Okay, the definition of the circle is the collection of all the points in a plan. Collection of all the points. That is a group of points in the plan which are at the fixed point. Distance from a fixed point in the plan. Now, what is the fixed point? Fixed point, they are saying, let us take one fixed point and find a collection of points which is equal distance from the fixed point. So, it means to say is that if it is a fixed point, then distance here any point is equal. If you go from here to point A is equal. If I take as a radius, right? If I take rounder and pen, so it will move equally from the equal distance. That means it is a collection of points. This way we can say that the points in the plan which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plan. Now, simple definition, in short, if I say that collection of points from the fixed distance to the any point and around the that's a point, particular point, it is known as a circle. For example, O, center at, no, I will not use the word center, but point, fixed point O and fixed point A. So they form circle, right? For example, this. Now, second definition is the center. Now, center. Fixed point in the circle is known as the center. Where it is fixed point in the circle, not on the circle. I hope that you know about what is the meaning of in the circle, on the circle, out of the circle, right? So, fixed point in the circle is known as center. So, whenever you form a circle, with the help of point you can form, with the bangle you can form a circle, right? This instrument you can draw a circle, then you can find by yourself center. Why? Because from the center it will be equal distance. That's why it is known as center of a circle. Third definition, radius of a circle. Now, what is the definition? Fixed distance between center and point. Fixed distance between center and point. Center, that is O, point, that is A. Distance that will be remain fixed till entire the circle is not over. Distance between O to A or any other point on the circle will be remain same till center is not O. So this distance, this fixed distance is known as radius. If I form another point B, then also OA equals to OB because it is known as radius. If I form C, then it is also equal. OA equals to OB equals to OC. I mean to say is that radius will be remain same. So fixed distance between center and the point on the circle is known as radius of a circle. Example is given over here. Now definition number 4. Circular region. Now circular region, that means what? That area covered by the circle. Okay, that is known as circular region. Circle and its nearby areas. So we will divide circular region into 3 different parts. On the circle, interior area of the circle and exterior area of the circle. Now very easy to understand this. What is the meaning of circular region or circular area? It is divided into 3 parts, which is inside, outside and on the circle. So we will write as a form of theory in math. So we will use on the circle, for example, B. Point B is on the circle. Then interior area. So circle covered, space covered by the circle. It is interior, which is point A. It is inside or interior area. And exterior area, that means outside of area of a circle. Here is point C. So on the circle, interior area of the circle and exterior area of a circle. So here is the example of circular region. It is divided into 3 equal parts. Then definition number 5, which is code. It is code. Pronunciation will be code. If 2 points on the circle, let us compare with the diagram, then you will understand it little easily. If 2 points on the circle, here is an example. I drew a circle, 2 points A and B. Circle, line segment formed by 2 points. These 2 points form a line segment. You can say line segment AB. Inside the circle, not outside, is called a code. It is known as code. Now you have to take any 2 points on the circle. You have to form a line segment, or we can say that you have to connect both the points and they form a code. Suppose let me form over here C. So another code will be BC. If I want to form D, then third code will be DC or CD. In short, 2 points on the circle and they form a line segment which is known as chord of the circle. Example, AB is also chord, BC is also chord, and CD is also chord. Right? The next definition is sixth one is the diameter. What is the meaning of diameter? The chord which passes through the center. Because we are learning about the diameter, you have to know about chord. So that was the last, on the 5th, right? So the chord which passes through the center you know, right? Whichever line segment or chord which is passed by the center of the circle will form diameter, and suppose C and D, it is also passing through the center, so it is also a diameter. Second thing, this is also a diameter, right? In short, the line segment which passes through the center, it is known as a diameter. Now, if I form, it is not from center. Look at here carefully. If I form such kind of diameter, it is wrong, because condition is that the line segment have to pass through the center, then only it will be a diameter. That is not a diameter, that is also not a diameter. So in short, the line segment, you can form so many, but condition is that passing through the center. It is known as diameter. Here it is an example. Example of a diameter. Diameter AB and diameter CD. Next definition is arc. ARC. Arc, a piece of the circle. Piece of a circle between 2 points is called arc. Piece of a circle. If you form a line segment inside a circle, that is good. But piece of a circle, you have to, on the circle, we have to consider on the circle. If piece of a circle between 2 points, it is known as arc. Now, arc having two types, minor arc and major arc. From the diameter, you can see that this is the piece of a circle, AB. And this one is a bigger piece of a circle. It is also AB. So this purple color AB is minor arc, and green color AB is a major arc. In short, piece of a circle is known as arc. If you form any other arc, you can form C and D. But piece of a circle, right? Not a line segment. Piece of a circle, on the circle, it is known as arc. Two types of arcs, minor arc and major arc. Here AB with the purple color, it is known as minor arc, and green color AB, it is known as a major arc. So arc means of the circle. Now definition number 8, semicircle. Semicircle, that means half. When diameter of a circle divides circle into two equal parts, diameter, again you have to do the definition of diameter, line segment passing through the center. If diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, each one of is known as semicircle. Each one of is known as a semicircle. So here purple color AB, it is also a semicircle, and green color AB is also semicircle. This is also semicircle, and this is also a semicircle. So when the diameter divides two equal parts, horizontally, vertically, you can cross anywhere, anyhow. But if diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, each one will be known as semicircle. Here it is the example. Then circumferences. Again, circumferences, the length of the complete circle. Now you will say that where is the length in the circle. Now let us see how. If I form a thread and both the ends if I tie together, then it forms a circle. Here it is the example. See, a thread 20 centimeter. If I put it like that way, it will create a circle. So circumferences, that means the length of the complete circle is called the circumferences of a circle. Then definition number 10, a segment. Again, it is the segment. The region between chord and its arc. Region between chord. You must know what is a chord. and you must know what is a arc. So region between chord and its arc is known as segment. Now two types of segment, minor segment and major segment. Now this one is arc plus chord. Arc plus chord. Arc plus chord. Right? So small area, that is known as minor segment, and large one area is known as major segment. So we can say that addition of chord and arc, it is known as segment. Okay. Till let us see for some more definition. I think till 5 to 6 are there. So let us see that in here.